I probably should have posted this video earlier, on Christmas Day. But we had a terrible thing happen in Prague. A mad student shot his father and 2 people in a park and after killed 15 people at the university. On the eve of Christmas, mourning was declared and the festive illumination went out for 1 day. In short, the mood was terrible. I live in one of the most atheistic countries in Europe, in case you didn't know. We have had this in the Czech Republic since the Hussite wars and communist rule in the last century. 48% of the population is non-religious, atheist, agnostic, or other non-religious life stance. Nevertheless, everyone here believes in Christmas because it's an excellent opportunity for family members to get together and give each other love and attention. It's often the only day of the year when all family members get together. I really like this day. It's probably good that I'm telling you this on the 31st of December, when everyone is making dreams for the new year or planning to start a new life from the new year, quitting drinking or losing weight, and so on. Starting something on a specific date is silly, but that's how we are. After all, life never stops. It's always moving. There is no future and past for us. There is only the present when we can do something. And I want to say that, in my opinion, the main problem for mankind is the lack of love. That's often what makes people crazy. All these killers and tyrants who start wars in the world have been unloaded by someone. So I wish you more love in the coming year. So much love you can share with your friends and family. Don't put it off. Do it now. In the present. We may survive. Happy New Year.